Welcome to an unparalleled realm of luxury in Los Flamingos. This exquisite duplex penthouse, nestled within an exclusive golf resort, presents a lifestyle defined by elegance and breathtaking beauty. From its privileged south to west orientation, discover expansive panoramic views stretching across the Mediterranean Sea, lush golf courses, and majestic mountains. Step inside to an expansive living space adorned with high ceilings and sophisticated finishes. The gourmet kitchen flows seamlessly onto a terrace featuring a private jacuzzi. The master suite upstairs offers a private sanctuary with a lavish ensuite and dressing area. The crowning glory is the private roof terrace, boasting its own plunge pool and sauna, an idyllic setting for relaxation amidst stunning vistas. Beyond your private retreat, enjoy access to pristine communal gardens and shimmering pools. With proximity to the renowned 5-star Villa Padierna Hotel and world-class golf, this residence offers an exceptional blend of privacy, luxury, and convenience, making it the epitome of Mediterranean living.